Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create a cover on CapCut PC, like a thumbnail I guess. So select your video and go to the part where you want the thumbnail to be, like here maybe, and then click on this to like edit cover. You can also select it here, by the way. I'm just saying probably like here. And then select edit. You can also upload from your PC here. I'm just going to select edit. And here they give you a bunch of templates you can choose from. Like this one. Oh, that's a lot. Or this one maybe. And you can go up here and like adjust the text and where you want to place it. Maybe you want to delete these. You can do that as well. Here you can change the text. For instance, I want it to be a day in my life, and then here I wanted to type in get ready with me. And yeah, you cannot see the text very well, but that's okay. You can change the color of the text. If I can just select the right thing. Okay, hold on, let's move this a little bit first and then select it and just change the color because you can't see that. And I'm just going to change it so it's the same color as the background so you can see it a little bit better. And I'm going to just move this up here and leave it like that. Jessica's daily vlog, I'll change that to this. Alright, once you're done, you're just going to select complete. And once you export this, you can just deselect add video cover at the beginning. And this will like export as like a different file. It's just going to be an image. And yeah, that is it. It's going to be exported as an image and you can use it as your thumbnail. And you can also place it in the middle of your video if you'd like to, but I chose not to when I exported the video. I unclicked that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!